Imagine two people earning exactly the same salary, living in the same city and facing the same prices for rent, groceries, and transportation. 10 years later, one has an emergency fund, investments that continue growing on their own, and the confidence to handle unexpected expenses without panic. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck, relying on credit cards whenever something goes wrong, wondering why financial stability always seems just out of reach. The difference often has less to do with income than with the invisible rules that shape everyday decisions. Financial stability is rarely created by one dramatic choice. Instead, it emerges from hundreds of ordinary decisions repeated consistently over time. The challenge is that modern life constantly encourages the opposite. Every advertisement suggests that happiness is one purchase away. Every subscription quietly asks for another monthly payment, and every new convenience seems inexpensive when viewed on its own. Individually, these decisions appear harmless. Together, they gradually reshape an entire financial life. Minimalism is often misunderstood as living with as little as possible or rejecting comfort altogether. In reality, financial minimalism is about reducing unnecessary complexity so that money flows toward what genuinely improves long-term security. It is less about owning fewer possessions and more about making fewer financial mistakes. The first rule is surprisingly simple. Spend less attention on appearances and more attention on cash flow. People naturally notice visible wealth. Expensive cars, designer clothing, luxury vacations, and large homes attract admiration because they are easy to see. Financial stability, however, is mostly invisible. No one notices a fully funded emergency account, a diversified investment portfolio, or years of disciplined budgeting. Yet these invisible assets determine how resilient someone becomes during periods of uncertainty. Behavioral economists describe this tendency as social comparison. Humans instinctively measure themselves against those around them, often comparing visible consumption while ignoring invisible financial health. This creates a dangerous illusion where looking wealthy becomes more important than becoming financially secure. Minimalist thinking reverses this priority by valuing financial resilience over financial appearance. The second rule is to create distance between earning and spending. Many people unconsciously treat every paycheck as permission to increase consumption. A raise arrives, and almost immediately housing becomes more expensive, restaurants become more frequent, and monthly subscriptions quietly multiply. This process, known as lifestyle inflation, feels natural because each increase appears small. Over time, however, higher income produces little additional financial security because expenses rise at nearly the same pace. Instead, every increase in income should first strengthen the financial system before improving lifestyle. A portion can be directed toward investments, savings, or debt reduction before any new spending is considered. This approach allows income growth to compound rather than disappear. The mathematics behind this rule is surprisingly powerful. Imagine receiving a salary increase of 10%. If all of it is absorbed into new spending, financial progress remains almost unchanged. If half of that increase is consistently invested instead, the long-term difference grows exponentially through compound returns. The raise itself may be temporary, but the habit continues generating value for decades. The third rule is to simplify financial decisions before they become emotional decisions. Every unnecessary choice consumes mental energy. When people constantly decide whether to save, invest, or spend, emotions often take control. Fatigue, stress, excitement, or social pressure gradually influence financial behavior more than rational planning. Minimalists reduce this problem through automation. Savings move automatically into dedicated accounts. Investments occur on fixed schedules regardless of market headlines. Bills are organized and predictable. By removing frequent decision-making, financial discipline depends less on willpower and more on well-designed systems. Psychologists sometimes refer to this as reducing decision fatigue. Every automatic process protects future behavior from temporary emotions. Stability is built not because motivation remains high forever, but because fewer important decisions rely on motivation at all. The fourth rule is to purchase freedom rather than possessions. Every dollar spent represents more than an object. It also represents time that was exchanged to earn that money. Viewing purchases through this lens changes priorities dramatically. Instead of asking whether an item is affordable today, minimalist thinking asks whether it contributes to greater flexibility tomorrow. An expensive purchase may provide temporary satisfaction while simultaneously increasing future obligations through maintenance costs, insurance, financing, or replacement expenses. Meanwhile, money invested in financial reserves quietly purchases something less visible, but often far more valuable: the freedom to change careers, survive unexpected emergencies, or make decisions without immediate financial pressure. The fifth rule is to prepare for predictable surprises. Emergencies often feel unexpected emotionally, but statistically, they are almost guaranteed. Cars eventually require repairs, appliances eventually fail, medical expenses eventually arise, employment circumstances eventually change. The mistake is not that these events occur. The mistake is treating them as impossible until they happen. A minimalist financial system assumes uncertainty from the beginning. Emergency savings become part of the plan rather than an optional goal after everything else is purchased. From a mathematical perspective, emergency funds reduce the probability of expensive debt. Without savings, a single, unexpected expense often leads to high-interest borrowing, creating future obligations that grow faster than the original problem. Cash reserves interrupt this cycle before it begins. The sixth rule is to recognize that every recurring expense deserves greater attention than every one-time purchase. People frequently negotiate for hours over a single purchase while accepting recurring monthly charges without much thought, yet recurring expenses quietly multiply across years. A streaming subscription, premium software, unnecessary insurance upgrades, convenience delivery fees, and automatic renewals may individually seem insignificant. Together, they create a permanent reduction in future savings capacity. Minimalist finance regularly reviews recurring expenses because reducing a monthly obligation creates a financial improvement that repeats every single month without requiring additional effort. The seventh rule is to make investing ordinary rather than exciting. Financial markets naturally fluctuate, and dramatic headlines constantly encourage emotional reactions. History repeatedly demonstrates that disciplined long-term investing generally depends more on consistency than prediction. Rather than attempting to perfectly time markets, minimalist investors focus on regular contributions, diversification, and patience. They understand that wealth is usually accumulated through decades of steady participation rather than moments of perfect forecasting. This approach also aligns with human psychology. The fewer emotional decisions required during periods of market volatility, the more likely long-term plans remain intact. Finally, perhaps the most important minimalist rule is understanding that financial stability is a system rather than a destination. There is rarely a moment when someone permanently becomes financially secure. Stability is continuously maintained through habits that quietly reinforce one another. Savings supports investing, investing supports flexibility, flexibility reduces financial stress, lower stress encourages better decisions, creating a cycle that strengthens over time. This perspective changes the goal entirely. Instead of chasing an arbitrary number in a bank account, the objective becomes building a financial life that continues functioning even when circumstances change. Markets fluctuate, careers evolve, economies experience cycles. Personal priorities shift. A minimalist financial system is designed to absorb these changes rather than collapse under them. The remarkable truth is that financial stability often looks ordinary from the outside. It rarely attracts attention, creates headlines, or inspires envy. Yet beneath that ordinary appearance lies something far more valuable than temporary displays of wealth. The quiet confidence that comes from knowing your financial life is supported by simple rules, repeated consistently year after year. When money becomes less about constant consumption and more about intentional design, stability stops feeling like luck and starts becoming the natural result of a well-built system.